Hi everybody. In this video we are going to discuss about three different types of intelligence. One is recurrent intelligence, the other is reference intelligence, strategic intelligence and also uh, the counter intelligence. So recurrent intelligence, it is done to be abreast with activities and is not concerned to a specific strategic or tactical decision. It is recurring in nature. And the next is reference intelligence. It is used as a groundwork for specific strategic or tactical decision and it is regularly demanded. And the next is strategic intelligence. It encompasses broad spectrum of issues and is classically structured to a specific strategic decision. So the three type of intelligence include recurrent intelligence, reference intelligence, strategic intelligence. Recurrent intelligence is done to be abreast with activities and it is not concerned with a specific or any tactical decision or any, it is not concerned to any type of strategic decision making. It is recurrent in nature. And the reference intelligence is used as a groundwork before taking a strategic or tactical decision. A groundwork is done relating to that type of particular process and it is known as a reference intelligence, and it is regularly made whenever they are making any strategic or tactical decision. And the last is strategic intelligence. Strategic intelligence encompasses broad spectrum of issues and it is classically structured to a specific strategic intelligence. Whenever a strategic decision is taken relating to a particular firm, then strategic intelligence is used. And the other form of intelligence is counter intelligence. Counter intelligence is a process of securing business secrets, plans, techniques, programs and projects in order to ward off adversary is known as counterintelligence. So counterintelligence is the process of securing business secrets, business plans, techniques, programs, projects, etc. And let us see, how does this competitive intelligence improve the business performance? By using competitive intelligence, it lessens the cost. It also boosts the sale of a particular business organization. It captures alliance opportunities to the firm. It discovers gainful acquisition prospects. It clamps down on competitors' profits and sales. It enhances defensive strategies. It improves organizational agility, and also it achieves first class status for higher prices. It provides leverage for outwitting performance barriers. So this is how the competitive intelligence helps to improve the best business performances. It increases or it lessens the cost of production of business organization. It increases or it boosts the sales that is happening in the organization. It captures alien opportunities or a large number of opportunities for a firm. It discover gainful acquisition prospect, or it clamps down on competitors' profit and sale. It enhances the defensive strategies of the firm. It helps to increase the defensive strategies. It improves organization's agility. It achieves first class status for the higher prices and also provides leverage for outwitting performance barriers, or it helps a leverage for overcoming the performance barriers. So this is all about the competitive intelligence. We were discussing about different aspects of competitive intelligence. It is the ability to focus attention on important things. It is the process of ethically collecting, analyzing, and disseminating accurate, relevant, specific, timely informations relating to the business environment, competition, and the organization itself. And we were discussing about the functions of intelligence. It include collecting the information, upgrading the information, producing more insights from the information, and also disseminating the report to decision makers. Then we were discussing about 7 P's of competitive intelligence, and the categories of competitive intelligence include market intelligence, competitor intelligence, partner intelligence, customer intelligence, and also technical intelligence. So we were discussing and about the three type of intelligence, that is recurrent, reference, and also strategic intelligence. We were also discussing about counter intelligence and how this competitive intelligence is helping a business organization to improve the performance of a business organization. That is all about this video. Thank you all for listening to me.